Beats has unveiled the Studio Pro, its newest flagship over-ear headphones. Following the release of a number of new true wireless earphones. The Studio Pro are the first over-ears from Beats to adopt a different audio style, dropping the bass-boosted sound and replacing it with a more neutral, clearer performance, continuing a long line of over-ear headphones that dates back to 2008. Although we haven't yet used the new headphones, we thought we'd compare them to the over-ear Studio 3 wireless predecessors to show prospective customers what is new and what has changed with the Studio Pro. The Beats Studio Pro is exactly the same price as the Studio 3 wireless, which debuted at a price of $349. Naturally, the Studio 3 wireless are less expensive because they have been on the market for a while. The Studio 3 headphones cost $240 on Amazon. Although the Studio 3 wireless will essentially be replaced by the Studio Pro, it will still be available for purchase while supplies last. Although we haven't yet heard the headphones, we can already tell you that the frequency response will be flatter, more evenly distributed, and balanced. Clarity across the frequency range is one of the main focuses, with noise distortion reduced by up to 80% in comparison to the Studio 3 wireless, and it is claimed that the bass response is more accurate. The Studio Pro's built-in microphones are said to filter out background noise and improve voice clarity, which should also result in an improvement in call quality. According to Beats, it is up to 27% more effective than the Beats Studio 3 wireless. Unlike its parent company Apple, Beats has adopted a platform-neutral strategy, with feature compatibility between iOS and Android reaching parity. Both ecosystems support one-touch pairing, Google Fast Pair on Android, firmware updates, and Find My Device. Hey Siri voice support is available for iOS users, and Bluetooth multipoint is available for Android users to switch between compatible devices. However, iOS does not yet support that feature. When the noise-canceling feature was turned on, the Studio 3 wireless could last up to 22 hours. With 24 hours of playback, the Studio Pro goes a little bit further in that regard. That is not a significant improvement and is less than price-comparable competitors from Sony, Bowers & Wilkins, and Sennheiser. A 10-minute charge now yields 4 hours of use, as opposed to the 3 hours the Studio 3 wireless's fast charging could muster. The Studio Pro headphones USB-C connection allows for 24-bit and 48 kHz playback, which was a bit of a surprise to learn. But it can't be done over Bluetooth wireless, it can only be done through wired connection. They reach the limit of AAC streaming with devices, much like the Beats Studio 3 wireless, in that situation. In conclusion, while we're still eagerly awaiting the chance to experience the Studio Pro headphones firsthand, the comparison with their well-regarded predecessors, the Studio 3 wireless, indicates that potential buyers can expect significant enhancements in appearance, sound quality, and innovative features. Ultimately, the Studio Pro promises to be an exciting addition to the lineup, catering to those seeking a premium and immersive audio experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.